Do you know that some parents are the reason why their children succumb to peer pressure and choose a path for destruction? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, on my video on phone, I decided that I don't need to see this video alone. I need to show you this video for you to see that now. Most of the times, these young people now dying, my kidnapping, my prostitution, my hookup, all those, and yahoo. No parents, ne pressure somebody. Because all the say so can we butebe ego. Anyway, achọrọ m ikwu okwu biko welgodo anya in the video ka ife this girl na mami ya na bamba n'ime ụlọ. Take a look at it.
You know they work out for me now. I know useless. Make up for big uselessness. Because not be one way they work out of person's life. Just because no one to no work, no means another to no work.
Where the other pay one work?
You go work, mommy. You go work.
Where the other thing?
You go work.
How old are you?
You go work. Now 22 years like day. 22 years now day, mommy. I no go thief. Cause you dey hard. 22 years now. They know when they use me, they compare. How much you use me, they compare. Now they fend for them. Use me, they compare them. What thing they ask you? What thing they say me you do for me? Let me they carry everything for myself. What thing they ask you? What going the time say you put me 80,000 naira? 150,000 now they send down. 150 I tell you now. 8,000 now give 150 now they send down. And my money and they add. And they got the work they ask you for practical. Wait, the money when they do the practical, you give me. Maybe you want cast me. Money they do practical, now you they give me. You know basically when they owe when they learn that work. You know basically when they owe. Make I go learn when people nobody they help me they do anything. You know how much I spend for practical. No. What do they tell me?
What do you talk? You talk anything come outside.
Who I want tell?
I don't get go find what they can do.
What will you go tell me what I want is my life do? By God's grace, when anything that different I go see her. I'm a leaver.
You learn work.
Come outside. You feel even go street when you go to talk for them. I don't care. I don't care.
In no book, in learn work. All the work where you know everything. What did they do for inside? See me chill out. It's like cat on the book.
That's why I know they use tailor. I don't want to use tailor. Anything that they can, I go get her.
I for buy this machine. You don't want to use tailor. What you want to use and make you see.
Tell me to make her they see my mates. Now they tell me to make her they see my mates. When time reach, whether my mates go or they never go, me go still go my own. Now my leg they follow. Now my trail they follow. I know they follow person trail.
I don't know they say time they go. Me back your mother, they tell the time they go. Now that they remember
No, make it a shot. That time last year we be everywhere they okay for me by this time. When we say I feel the shop and they know they remind me say time God go see things call just add. Now you got day enter your mind say and time does they go.
No time where God know the thing answer person. Any time where you carry him. God tell me you carry him, let people that for your head. Anytime when you take carry God go bless, he go pour out for you. Not be until million years coming. Earlier the better. People they sing and say they don't know what they do. What they talk. Earlier the better.
No, you don't get faith for me. Me will be saying that me they live the life. Now me know where for they pay me. I get faith for myself.
I don't get faith. You will get faith. That God, I been made that faith. They manifest now. I want make that faith where she get. They manifest for her body. No. Make a minute no pass her.
I mean, they pay me. The matter they pay me for body. You know, we say, I beg again. I know they go again. I know go. No be play at the play with and say me they know they call me for foul matter. Maybe say she carry, say she want to they call me, she want to tell everybody everything. Make she they talk. I know they go.
After watching this video, I feel bad for this lady. I feel bad for this girl. Because it is very depressing to hear this thing from your own mother. Your own mother pressuring you. Say make you go they do big things. Make you go they do big things. Big things no be say they give you motivation, encouragement to go and be better. But to pressure you into hard life. Like this girl fit dey like this, say make you shook hand for hookup. As this girl dey like this, she cannot come to that house every time. She no go fit the day that house. Because to chop, to eat in that house now, plenty case. Because that woman, every time she go dey remind the girl, you dey chop for this house, you need they pay. You dey chop for this house, you need they bring any money. 22-year-old, somebody did 22. And in Nigeria, first of all, the woman now, what this girl here, Mamia, from the look of things, she's not a learned person. Apart from, I'm not trying to shade or mock anybody from going to school. And when people that get some people we never go school, no go school, but they are sensible. They are very sensible, that they know that you don't pressure young people into doing things that they don't want. Obviously, this girl does not want to do hookup. And this woman, from what, just forget, you go pressure this girl. Oh, you frustrate this girl so much. So take this girl fish you can for waiting she know. This girl can even go to somebody's house. One guy just did the house. That's why you see most of the times our young girls, they buy them because they don't want to go to the house. Because the house is demanding a 22-year-old, a 20-year-old girl to start bringing money home. That's why you see our young girls, all the young girls are now doing house assistant, I be housemaid in Libya, in Kuwait, in Mali. Girls, somebody that is 22-year-old that will be learning a skill for the future. Our girls are now doing house servants, housemaid in Libya and in Mali. Some people will now go to Mali and be doing prostitution, be doing hookup. Okay, let me show you a clip of where our young girls. If you see any African girl, we say in the African country, say in they work. Oga, let me tell you, you know what's in the streets? They are on the streets. Take a look at this video.
Place that we are in Mali. In Mali, this is the place that our Nigeria patron them, our Nigeria boys, Nigeria women receive us and bring us to this place. This is where we used to sleep in Mali. Look at the place that we used to sleep in Mali here. Look at what we cross our border right away from Nigeria to come and do. Look at the place here. This place now, they go come see the man kill you. This place now, look at it. Look at where we are. Look at where we are. No, you will not see any good thing, any good house here. We are inside the forest here. See, anybody that come back with money, any girl that is from Africa, the country, and come back with money and say that is doing a good job outside the country, that is doing business, is a very big lie. It's a lie. They are using our girls to make so much million.
This is, see, if you are pressuring your sister or your child, to do big things in life. Now this kind of thing, this is where small thing they buy them, they use them as rag. If you know, check is a young girl. Imagine your young girl, you train, you help to grow, to nurture, to become better person, to become better. This, I feel so bad. Anyway, however you feel about this video, please leave your comment on the comment section, because most of our parents, they pressure our young people into putting hands. Are they putting kumwoke? Check it. Are they putting kumwoke? See around dog boge. No be your mates. No be that particular statement. No be your mates. They do. No be your mates. Anyway, however you feel about this video, please leave your comment on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, I need to finish.